Hey there, Doc O here. Welcome to Central Middle School 710 team. Today we're going to review our procedures that we have for my classroom. Nothing too fancy, but just kind of give us an idea of what it is that we have to do and when we have to do it. The procedures are not all inclusive, meaning it's not all of them, but I think it will help give us the right idea on what we have to do when we need to do it. These are the things that come up the most often, and so I'd appreciate if you guys would be able to follow through with these, and we'll be able to have a great class. First one is leaving classroom procedure. You ask for permission. What you do is you fill out your agenda and have it signed by the teacher when I come around. It also might be Miss Eaches. There's a clipboard over on my black cabinets by the door to the room, and you're going to sign out on that. And then when you come back in, you're going to sign back in on the clipboard when you return. If the door is locked, you're going to knock on it, just like you would be knocking on someone's house door, and then you'll go ahead and you'll be let in and then sign back in. If you're tardy to class, don't disrupt the class when you come in. You don't need to make a spectacle of yourself. You don't have to be the showcase. Just simply, you're late. You'll sign in on the tardy clipboard. You'll take a seat and you'll begin your work. After 3 tardies, our policy is there is a detention. For sharpening your pencil, and of course in math you're doing that quite a bit. Just simply hold your pencil up in your hand and raise it, and we'll come around and we'll get it. It won't be immediately, but it will be as we're walking around. We usually try to get it done at the beginning of the class. We'll try to get a bunch of you all at one time. Just remember which pencil is yours, because we just simply sharpen them and then bring them back to you. Going to the bathroom. Hold your agenda in your hand, raise your hand, and make sure you have your agenda filled out. That means the date, the time, where you're going to go, and we'll initial it. If you don't have that done, we'll just continue on. Our time is valuable. We're there to help you with your education. We have 29 other students, or however many there are, and the more that we have to fill out, the less time we have with the other students. We want to make sure that you're able to get to your bathroom, but the students also can get the academics instruction that they're looking for. Blowing your nose. Everybody has allergies. People get colds. It happens. Raise your hand, cover your nose, and we'll bring you a tissue over to you. Throughout the year, if you can, please bring in tissues. We're not your storefront. We want everybody to be comfortable, but please express to your parents about bringing in tissues. If you have your own, that's fine. That works great. You're not required to share those with anybody. But if you give us several boxes of tissues, if everybody brings in tissues, then we can have enough to get through. But we got to remember, it's not just during the start of the school year, which everybody happens to do, but it's throughout the school year. Otherwise, at some point, I'm not going to have anything, and that's the way it's going to work out. So I want to help you, but you got to help us too. Throwing away trash. Everybody wants to throw trash away. The floor is not the trash can. Simply just raise your hand, put your trash on your desk, and we'll come get it, okay? Don't tear up the paper into tiny little pieces. That makes it worse. Just, if you got to crumple it up, or keep it flat, and we'll come by, we'll throw it away for you. Calculator procedures. If you notice on the wall over by the whiteboard, there's 30 calculators there. Each desk is assigned has a number on it. So when directed by the teacher, the assigned student will retrieve the respective calculators from the group in the CalcPal storage. Students will use calculators with the numbers matching your desk number. So, student with desk 1 should use calculator 1, and so forth. When directed by the teacher, assigned student will return calculators for group to the storage. Every week I'll change the color. If you notice, you got colors on your desks, and I'll have, like, say it's going to be red, so red will handle the materials, and that helps us keep things organized. If somebody is absent, if the person sitting at the red desk is absent, then it's just, courtesy, someone else picking up and helping them out. Computers, pretty much the same way. When directed by the teacher, assigned student will retrieve the respective computers for the group from the CAL. Again, you guys are in groups of 4, so you'll get like groups 1, desks 1 through 4. You'll put them up also based that way. You use those. The reason why we keep the calculators and computers assigned with numbers is that if there's a problem, then that person can bring it to our attention. We know what happens that if you don't report a problem to us and the next class comes in and there is a problem, then we're going to go back to that student. As soon as you start using a calculator, as soon as you start using a computer, let us know if there's an issue. Okay? Tell us that there's a problem. We'll try to get it taken care of. But if something wasn't reported, then we can go back. We have to be accountable for our work so that things can work for all of us, but we have to make our resources be able to be stretched out for all of us. So those are the procedures that we generally use in the classroom. If you have any questions, please see myself or Mrs. Eachus, and then we can talk about this. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your stay here or working with us at Central Middle School. Thank you. Bye-bye.